NASCAR Unbelievable Moments.
I don't think he meant that to happen, but then he made contact with Tony.
NASCAR Unbelievable
Tony
Moments.
was also pretty loose getting in there.
Well, that was what happened to Tony lap before, you know, when he got loose into 7 and that allowed Hamlin to close up.
Hey, this thing's not over, guys. Watch what happens into turn 11 in this heavy braking zone.
2 more corners. Hamlin trying to pull away.
No, nisam znao, ja sam mislio da NASCAR ide samo u krug. I
think Tony used up his stuff. I mean, we knew he was having, you know, issues
Here we
with the
go.
car.
Stewart inside.
He
gets Hamlin. They hit. And Stewart comes off turn 11. And he's coming to the flag.
How did that
Tony
happen?
Stewart
How did that happen?
McMurray a little higher through 3 and 4. The advantage to the 24. White flag in the air one more time around for Gordon. Jeff Gordon looking for a storybook ending to the 2015 season. Out of 3 and 4, this win's going to punch his ticket to the championship 4. Gordon wins in Martinsville.
Yeah, that's how you fight.
Jebote.
That's how you do it.
Through the final.
To je jedan krug. Koliko krugova imaju ovi?
Gordon looking for a storybook.
Ne vidim.
Through the final.
Ne vidim ako je to best moment, znači ludilo.
Charlotte Roval. Now he goes to the inside. Here comes Jimmy Johnson. Locks the brakes up. And he's going to slide. He slides through the middle.
Ui!
Now it'll be a fight for the finish line. Ryan Blaney in the 12 will win.
He stopped. He came to a full stop to make sure that he was good with NASCAR. Where's he going to finish? It's showing 1 point to the good. Oh my goodness.
And
we don't know. That's not definite. That's not definite.
Or crashing.
We will have to find out as far as if there is any penalty.
Evo ga ovaj, ne može da uspravi auto, jebote.
You can do it on this end of the speedway. Come off the 4 and get up alongside of him.
Half a mile
Here he
to go.
comes. Here he comes.
Who's going to get off?
Here he comes. Here he comes. He's got him this time. It's going to be a drag race.
Udari ga, nema veze, ako ne možeš da prođeš, udari ga. Taj ti je, taj mu sponzor je.
Vickers wants to go.
Ajajaj. Ajajaj, brzine.
Eight getting a little wider.
There he goes.
Junior. Oh!
A jebo, majko, pa šta je ovo, jebem ti glupost. Ljudi svoj.
48. It takes out Earnhardt and Jimmy Johnson.
Kakav glup sport, jebote, ovo nemoguće je. Zna da ovo je opasno i sve. I brzo voze sve. Kako možeš, ne možeš da ga peti udari ga, nema veze, jebote.
Stewart's trying to squeeze in there. He's shoving to the bottom.
A udari ga, sad se gledaj, gledaj. 100% će da ga udari, znači, gledaj. Jebo.
Some of these guys hit hard, man.
Ono za publiku ovo je lepo, ali...
They're still hitting hard.
And he's on the low side of the track, trying to get underneath Biffle. Oh, trouble, and it involves Hamlin!
Znači, najbolji momenti u NASCAR-u kad se udare. Ovako nema boljih momenta, pošto se vrte bukvalno u krug. A najbolji moment je kad se udare, to je to. Ništa više od toga. Kad se udare, to je dobro. Ako se ne udari, nije ništa interesantno.
Keeps it off the wall.
We're gonna need 4 tires. Come on around.
That's a lot of damage to that right front fender.
The very thing he did not want to see happen. You see him slam the wheel.
16 just turned right down on us. Right down on me.
See, Hamlin gets a run. I don't see Biffle turning left.
Pravilo je.
He might have come just a little bit, but then I don't see Biffle turning left. I mean, he might have come just a little bit, but then he was going up into him there also. Always look from the driver's seat is exactly what does happen. You think
zašto ih ne teraju da se ne sudaraju, nego ih teraju da se sudaraju. To je...
That right there showed that's just an accident. Outside lane because he's got Paul.
Dobre,
Will Dillon have help? No, they come down to block.
opet se sudaraju, milion posto.
With him, McDowell in tow, Dillon on the bottom.
The runs on top.
Gle.
Teammates.
Around they go in a hard
Ovo je.
Larson.
Caution is out.
Bubba Wallace is in this. Austin Cindric, hard hit by Kyle Busch.
Bože.
Caution's out. McDowell is first to the line, but will have to go back to the moment of caution, which ends the race. Brad Keselowski is closing out. He's okay. Joey Logano we see taking off the
Trka završena, trka pod žutim zastavicama.
Kyle Larson, the outside. Carl Edwards on the inside. Green flag back in the air. They're blocking. Good going.
Pit ga gura jebem. Na gluposti, brate, mili, gleo.
Hits by the 19. And the
Koliko se trkaju, baš me zanima, koliko vremena se vi trkate u stvari, ko u NFL-u, ono, igrate od 4 sata 13 minuta, ili koliko već. Jebote, koliko se ovi trkaju, od, koliko...
comes back out again.
That is exactly
Koliko krugova vi se trkate, od 10 krugova 9 ste pod žutim zastavicama, ovo je glupost.
what we thought was going to happen.
Gledaj, gori, maj.
We thought Martin Truex Jr. needs to get out of this race car. The 22 gets a big run. Carl sees him coming. He goes a block. 22 does not slow up. Stays in the throttle.
Kazni ga jebot.
Big wreck.
And the 22 really ended up getting a lot better out of that situation because it looked as though Brad Keselowski laid completely on it. Down the back stretch. His closest competitor, just a dot in the rearview mirror. Through 3 and 4. No one has battled through as much pain and had as much perseverance as 30-year-old Kyle Busch. Tonight he earns his first Cup title. Kyle Busch, the 2015 NASCAR Sprint Cup champion.
Needed to get to the front because we've been watching him during commercial break. He was starting to overheat.
Ajmo, opet suda. Hop, jebot. Ne seri. Kako čost, majstore.
He's one of the few drivers that could drive out of that right there.
Out the groove and get by him.
Jebote, opet ovaj M&M.
Pushes around. Can he save it this time? Oh, there you go.
I sevo na kraju, Kyle.
But there's a
Bravo, Kyle. Ujeba ga.
Kyle's got it. Remember what happened the last time these two were coming to a start-finish line back in the July race?
smoke.
Kyle je M&M.
Thing to the line. He got him. He got him. Wild thing wins. He got him. Hamlin there. Logano to the bottom.
Koga Karim?
Versus Wild Thing to the line. He got him.
Ima ga Karim, Kyle Busch.
He got him. Hamlin there. Logano to the bottom, trying to hold his ground.
That's going to be tough, though. But he's been running good on the bottom. If he can just clear Hamlin right there.
No way. He's going to lose his momentum. They're going to touch hard. Are they going to make it?
Udari ga, nema veze, prošao te udari ga malo, gornjeg.
Side by side.
Kyle Busch closing in.
Watch out for the third-place car, Kyle Busch. He's looking.
Hamlin edges ahead. They get it. They touch. They touch. And here comes Kyle. Hamlin, Logano on the ball. Hamlin spins down the racetrack. And Kyle Busch wins in California.
I thought they'd be nice to each other.
A vidiš? Gledaj ga. Ovaj prođe, vidi ovaj. Nema. Ako ja ne prođem, ne prođeš ti. Easy. Ovaj završio 5. 6.
No, he got in the corner way too hard.
And Harvick takes second. This is not over.
Here he comes. That 33 car is on it, boys.
Gledaj, Kyle Busch, ovaj neki
29 cars.
Lewis Hamilton u NASCAR-u, ali ne vidimo.
Here comes Kyle Busch, fighting it back on the bottom. He's even with Harvick, even for second.
They're searching for grip right now.
And drops back in line. White flag for Jimmy Johnson. 1 lap to go.
Harv's going to have to make a big move right down here.
Harvick trying the outside as Johnson.
He's got the momentum. He's got the momentum right there.
That's been his strong point, that speed of carry all the way down the back straightaway.
A bump.
Ne sad, ovi dvoje će da ispravno pa opet Kyle.
Faster than he wants to go, I think.
George Bushov unuk, sad će opet da prođe. Sad ćeš da vidiš.
Here comes Harvick.
He's got him.
Got loose.
He's got him. That little push, getting into 3. That little bump.
Harvick, Johnson switches lanes. Johnson can't get there. Harvick wins
Za divno čudo,
Born at a
second.
Za divno čudo. Šta je ovo? Pick-up truck NASCAR.
Trying to get by Kyle Busch here. Ooh, close.
Three wide into turn 4. That moves.
Jebote!
He has to catch it before he gets in the wall. And Hornaday catches the wall.
Caution's out, caution's out.
Caution is going to come
14,
out. Both drivers
147
trying to get by. Looked like the 17 to Timothy Peters. They slid up the racetrack, and now Kyle Busch not happy at all.
It's all good, dude.
And Kyle
Yes!
three to the wall. Contender Hornaday.
Well, Kyle Busch should be parked for this race and maybe the rest of the season for that. Holy cow.
Šta si rekao?
Championship contender Hornaday in the wall.
Well, Kyle Busch should be parked for this race and maybe the rest of the season for that. Holy cow, I can't believe he did that.
Contender.
Ne znam da li kazne zbog ovakvih stvari, ali baš me zanima. Gdje ne može da ispravi kolaj?
Before him have ever won 4.
Oh, he's got a flat tire. The left front tire's flat.
It's down. He's going to go into the wall. Kyle Larson into the wall. The 48 of Bowman's going to get by him. A flat tire for Kyle Larson. And now Alex.
To je ovo, svi se zove Kyle.
Unbelievable.
On one lap to go, presented by Credit One Bank. And there's the gap between 1 and 2. Kyle Busch. And here comes Larson. Larson to the bottom of the track.
Flat job.
Trying to take the lead away.
Flat job. Almost.
The momentum. The 18. They make contact. The 18 into the wall.
Gurni ga još jednom, gledaj ga.
Going into 3 for the lead. Larson has the advantage.
Sad će Kyle da ga udari, nema. A ste glupi, majku vam jebem. Evaj, drifta jebote Tokio. Beži.
Kyle Busch will win.
To nije win, sorry.
Oh, my man.
Pravi Ameri... Gledaj, pravi. Pravi, gledaj. Gledaj. Beži. Kyle, gledaj ga, pravi. Unofficial results, normalno da je unofficial. Oni nikad ne znaju, ovo posle meča, posle trke, ono, tek u ponedjeljak, utorak, znaš rezultat, pa ako se trke u nedjelju. Što ovo... Ne može da ga prođeš ovako na brzinu, udori ga, nema veze. Glupost. Ovaj Kyle Busch, ako nema brz auto, udari neko. Tako izgleda. Ovaj, sad je M&M. Evo ga. Ali mora jednog da izbaci, razumeš? Bar jednog.
They're wrecking everywhere. Boyer's on fire. Jeff Gordon's wrecked.
And they are still wrecking. Montoya, Stremme, Kenseth, Biffle, Marlin, Carl Edwards, Casey Mears, all crash.
Race himself. White flag is out. Final lap at Daytona. 180,000 on their feet, screaming wildly. 2.5 miles to go.
Just exactly the opposite of the Daytona 500. It was 15 and 8. Elliott Sadler's trying to keep Bobby Labonte behind. He can't do it. But he does move down in front of Rusty Wallace on that fast line.
Clear, all clear.
Bobby Labonte looking for some help, trying to get up there. His teammate Tony Stewart has never answered the black flag.
And they're 4 wide back between the Wallace boys.
Here they come, turn 4, final lap of the Pepsi 400. Michael Waltrip in second, but it's going to be Dale Earnhardt Jr. using lessons learned from his father to go from 6th to 1st and score the victory in the Pepsi 400.
That's unbelievable.
Yes!
That man behind you did it for you. You guys celebrate. You love you, man. You did it.
That was beautiful. Very, very nice.
Junior, you're happy.
Look at that smile. Wow.
I don't think there's anybody here that didn't want to see that.
Sentimental favorite.
Oh yeah, what the sport. Baš me zanima. If you hit... Come on. NASCAR. Evo pitanje, pičku mate. NASCAR drivers are not allowed to hit each other intentionally with the goals of causing... Kako? The rules are quite relaxed in that contact between drivers seldom goes unpunished.